Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's the day, March 1st, the book giveaway. So I was trying to think of a way that I could give away this book without anybody thinking that, I personally picked somebody. So the only way that I could possibly think is to call one of my assistants who doesn't know anything about the giveaway or what I'm doing, and I'm going to have to explain it to her, and she's going to pick somebody. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm not going to cut the I'm not going to cut this video. I'm just going to do it live, and I'm not sure how it's going to go over, but I'm just going to keep it the way it is, and however it turns out, I have a feeling this isn't going to work out well, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So, all right, so here I go, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right, calling doesn't appear to be going through, which is nice. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Hey, Feb.
Hey, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, hello.
All right, good. Hey, so Feb, I am doing my YouTube channel right now. So you're on my YouTube channel right now. Let me just try to explain something real quick. I'm giving away this book, right? So I didn't want my viewers to think that I was just going to pick a friend to give it away. So I'm in the middle of making a video basically saying, hey, I'm going to have my assistant pick the person. So I'm going to ask you to pick the person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share screens with you, and you're just going to do two things. You follow me so far?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. So you're going to do two things. You're just going to pick a video. Pick any video you want that was done in the month of February. Which one?
Okay.
Go ahead. Pick any one. It doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Which one?
About the fast rank one more than the Google Tripod.
This one right here?
Yes.
All right. Let's see. So I picked that one. Okay. Give me a second. Let this load. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do. What's going on, guys? I want to give you one. Okay. Now I need you to just pick any person that says I subscribed.
Yeah, sure. Wait.
All right? Just wait. Let me scroll all the way down, right? Kind of get like I'm just going to scroll down, right? I'm going to scroll down, and anybody who says I subscribed, just pick that one person, and that person will be the winner of this book. So I'll go to the post office today. All right, so I'm just going to scroll back up, and you're just going to pick one person, and just let me know where it is, like if it's all the way on the top, in the middle, on the bottom, right?
Okay, so here's stuff here.
Oh, you have the person.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Who is it?
It's Marcel. I'm not quite sure about
Marcel Melberg.
Yeah.
Melberg. Marcel Melberg. All right. Hey, that's the winner.
Okay.
That's the winner. All right, Febby. Thank you very much. And I think I'll have you on again. I'll have you on as a guest again. Maybe you'll be the official person who picks the winners all the time. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, sure.
All right. All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you so
You're welcome,
much for
Febby.
having me.
Oh, Febby, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're the best. All right. Speak to you later.
Yeah.
Bye, Febby.
Okay, got it.
See you later. Bye. All right. There you go. There you go. So it was, let's see here. It was Marcel Embeleg. Marcel Embeleg is our winner of the book. So Marcel, I'm just going to send you a quick message. You need to just email me your address and I'll send this book out to you. And I have a new contest coming for the month of March. So anybody who's watching this video, please subscribe. I tried to hit 5,000. Hey, you know what? I was stuck in the 3,000s for a really long time. I made it to 4,000, 4,050, somewhere around there. So, okay, all right, no problem, no problem. Maybe this month we'll shoot for 5,000, right? So we'll go for the 5,000 the month of March. Please subscribe, please like the video, and if you have any questions, please put them in any of the comment boxes below. I answer every comment, and I'll be happy to help you. So with that, thank you very much, guys, and we'll catch you soon.